places travels on the wind. Forward. From the roots beneath the ancient ground comes a force that cannot be bound. Every heartbeat joins the call, rising together, standing tall. Though the road may twist and turn, the flame of wisdom still will burn. The people gather side by side, with truth and justice as their guide. Power of the echo, strong and wide, like a mighty river, like an endless tide. Carry the message from shore to shore, building a future forevermore. Echo. Shadow lasts forever long. Hope survives inside the song. Every generation lights a flame, passing on the vision once again. Across the cities and countryside, the spirit of unity cannot hide. Different voices, one heartbeat, marching to a common beat. Power of the echo, strong and wide, like a mighty river, like an endless tide. Carry the message from shore to shore, building a future forevermore. Hear the trumpet across the land, calling every woman and man. Not through fear and not through hate, but through courage to create. The elders teach, the children learn, keeping sacred fires burning. The roots grow deeper year by year, holding strong to doubt and fear. This foundation, global vibration, horn invocation, worldwide connection, spirit When the storm clouds gather overhead, the wise keep moving forward instead. For every challenge along the way makes the spirit stronger each day. The roots run deep beneath the earth, carrying memory, carrying worth. Through every struggle, through every test, the faithful continue their quest. Thunder of the righteous sound, shaking every stone in the ground. Hope and courage side by side, with truth forever as our guide. Rise now, rise now, rise now. No wall can stop a united heart. No force can tear strong souls apart. The river flows and the message spreads, living beyond the words once said. The elders speak of brighter days, of justice found through righteous ways. The youth respond with vision clear, building tomorrow from right here. Thunder of the righteous sound, shaking every stone in the ground. Hope and courage side by side, with truth forever as our guide. Hear the trumpet across the land, calling every woman and man. Not through fear and not through pride, but through wisdom held inside. The stars above and roots below teach us everything we need to know. Plant good seeds and watch them grow into forests strong and bold. Bass, vibration, foundation, creation, born invocation, worldwide connection, spirit elevation, positive transformation. Across the oceans and mountain plains, the same heartbeat remains. Different voices, one destiny, bound together in unity. The dawn arise with golden light, ending the longest night. Step by step the future forms, stronger than the passing storm. Thunder of the righteous sound, shaking every stone in the ground. Hope and courage side by side, with truth forever as our guide. Thunder of the righteous, oh, thunder of the righteous, forever rising, forever strong. Forward, forward. Deep in the echo chamber, far beyond the city line, the drum keeps beating, the spirit keeps rising. Forward, forward, mountains stand beneath the stars, witness to our journeys near and far. Every heartbeat joins the call, reminding us we're one and all. Beyond the sound of time tonight, we journey toward the greater light. Through every trial, through every storm, a new day is being born. Echo, echo. Rise up, rise up. The roots grow deep beneath the ground, strength and purpose in every sound. No wall can stop a dreaming soul, no chain can hold a righteous goal. Across the valleys, across the sea, people seek dignity and harmony. Every voice becomes a flame, keeping hope alive again. Beyond the sound of time tonight, we journey toward the greater light. Through every trial, through every storm, a new day is being born. Hear the trumpet across the sky, calling every heart to rise. Not with anger, not through fear, but with vision strong and clear. The elders teach, the children learn, keeping sacred fires burning. The future grows from what we sow, like mighty rivers that forever flow. Bass vibration, cosmic creation, horn invocation, universal connection, spirit elevation, global inspiration. From desert sands to forest rain, the message echoes once again. Stand together side by side, with truth and love as our guide. Morning sunlight breaks the haze, opening bright and hopeful day. The road ahead shines strong and wide, with unity walking by our side. Beyond the sound of time tonight, we journey toward the greater light. Through every trial, through every storm, a new day is being born. Beyond the sound of time, beyond the sound of time, forever rising, forever strong. Forward, forward. Bassline shaking the valley floor, echoes moving through the night air. Hear the drums, hear the calling. Forward, forward. From the roots beneath the ancient trees comes a message riding on the breeze. Every heartbeat joins the sound. drums of awakening. Rise. From the hills where the morning sun shines comes a message carried through time. Every voice is a spark in the flame. Every soul has a purpose and aim. The roots run deep beneath the ground. Ancient wisdom in every sound. Though the road may twist and bend, hope remains until the end. Freedom sound, let it ring today. Guide the people on their way. Through the struggle, through the storm, a brighter future can be born. Forward. Thunder of their heartbeat. Thunder of their heartbeat. No shadow can cover the light for long. Truth keeps living inside the song. Hand in hand we build and grow, planting seeds that tomorrow will know. Across the valleys, across the seas, messages travel upon the breeze. Different faces, one desire to keep alive the sacred fire. Freedom sound, let it ring today. Guide the people on their way. Through the struggle, through the storm, a brighter future can be born. Hear the trumpet call from afar, shining like a guiding star. Not true fear and not true pride, but true love standing side by side. The youth arise, the elders teach, a vision every heart can reach. Together strong, together free, building a new reality. Bass vibration, positive creation, born in vocation, global connection, spirit elevation, foundation formation. Morning breaks upon the horizon, new possibilities are arising. Every heartbeat joins the rhythm, moving toward a better system. The journey continues day by day as the music lights the way. One love flowing endlessly, creating peace and unity. Freedom sound, let it ring today. Guide the people on their way. Through the struggle, through the storm, a brighter future can be born. Freedom sound. Freedom sound. Forever rising, forever strong. horns calling from afar. Love travels farther than the Forward in love, forward in life. From the shoreline to the mountain peak, your spirit is the strength I seek. Like a river flowing calm and wide, you are the peace I feel inside. Through every season, through every rain, your love brings sunshine once again. A guiding star when skies turn gray, showing me a brighter way. Heartbeat across the waters tonight, shining like a beacon of light. No distance can keep us apart. Your rhythm is living inside my heart. One heart, one heart, one heart, one heart. The moonlight dances upon the sea, carrying sweet memories. Every breeze whispers your name, and my devotion stays the same. No war can stop what love creates. No clock can measure what awaits. A faithful bond forever strong, growing deeper as time moves on. Heartbeat across the waters tonight, shining like a beacon of light. No distance can keep us apart. Your rhythm is living inside my heart. Hear the trumpet sounding clear, a melody for those held dear. Not just romance but unity, a love that builds community. Hand in hand we journey on, through every sunset and every dawn, planting seeds of hope and grace, bringing smiles to every place. Deep bass vibration, sweet inspiration, horn celebration, global connection, spirit elevation, love foundation. Across the oceans, across the land, love grows stronger hand in hand. Different cultures, one embrace, sharing kindness face to face. The morning sun begins to rise, painting gold across the skies. A brand new day for me and you, built on a love that's pure and true. Heartbeat across the waters tonight, shining like a beacon of light. No distance can keep us apart. Your rhythm is living inside my heart. Heartbeat across the waters. distant thunder. Hear the drums, hear the warning. Stand firm. Forward. Crossroads burning beneath the night. Many searching for a guiding light. False promises scattered in the air, but wisdom teaches those who care. Every step up on the rugged road carries lessons from a heavy load. The struggle sharpens every soul, keeping hearts focused on the goal. Walk the fireline of truth today. Never let deception lead astray. With courage strong and vision clear, a brighter future drawing near. Echo. Stand strong, stand strong. The noise of confusion fills the street, yet unity makes the rhythm complete. Many voices joining as one sound, shaking every barrier to the ground. No darkness lasts forever long. Hope survives inside the song. Every generation lights the flame, passing on the message just the same. Walk the fireline of truth today. Never let deception lead astray. With courage strong and vision clear, a brighter future drawing near. Hear the trumpet call from far away, calling hearts to a better way. Not through anger, not through fear, but through purpose strong and clear. The elders speak, the children learn, keeping sacred wisdom burning. The roots grow deeper every year, holding firm through doubt and fear. Bass vibration, foundation creation, on invocation, global connection, spirit elevation, positive transformation. Across the oceans, across the land, people rise and take a stand, building bridges where walls once stood, turning hardship into good. The morning sun begins to shine, lighting every mountain line. A new chapter starts to unfold, a future brighter than gold. Walk the fireline of truth today. Never let deception lead astray. With courage strong and vision clear, a brighter future drawing near. Fireline of truth. Fireline of truth. Forever rising, forever strong. Forward. Dark clouds gather over the city. Shadows move without a sound. But the drums are speaking, and the light is rising. Awaken, awaken. In the midnight hour when the streets grow cold, whispers of fear begin to unfold, but a flame of truth burns bright and strong, reminding the people where they belong. The moon shines down on every face, searching for courage in every place. The heartbeat of freedom starts to drum, telling the darkness its time is done. Guardians of the dawn arise, with hope reflected in their eyes. No shadow can conquer the morning sun. The victory of light has begun. Echo, 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 echo. Rise up. Rise up. The merchants of fear spread out around, but unity creates a stronger sound. The people gather, steady and wise, seeing through illusion and disguise. Every voice becomes a guiding star, shining brightly near and far. Together they build a better way, preparing for a brighter day. Guardians of the dawn arise, with hope reflected in their eyes. No shadow can conquer the morning sun. The victory of light has begun. Hear the trumpet across the night, calling hearts toward the light. Not with anger, not with hate, but with vision to create. The children sing beneath the sky, watching new horizons multiply. The future grows where kindness stands, spreading hope across the land. Based vibration, positive creation, one invocation, global connection, spirit elevation, future foundation. Across the oceans and mountain peaks, the From the dust of forgotten roads, rise the strength that the people hold. Every footprint left in the sand tells the story of a mighty stand. The river remembers every name, the fire within remains the same. Though generations pass away, the spirit continues to lead the way. Echoes of the ancestors call, lifting the weary whenever they fall. Through every trial and every test, the power of truth survives the rest. Echo, echo, rise up, rise up. No storm can erase the roots below, no darkness can stop the light from glow. The wisdom carried through the years transforms the struggle into tears of joy. Children gather around the flame, learning lessons beyond fame, to honor the past and build anew, with hearts courageous, strong and true. Echoes of the ancestors call, lifting the weary whenever they fall. Through every trial and every test, the power of truth survives the rest. Hear the trumpet across the plain, calling unity again and again. Not through force and not through fear, but through a vision bright and clear. The mountains stand, the oceans roar, yet hope remains forevermore. A guiding star for every soul, moving steadily toward the goal. Bass vibration, heritage foundation, horn invocation, global connection, spirit elevation, future creation. Across the continents far and wide, the heartbeat of freedom cannot hide. Many voices become one sound, spreading strength the world around. The dawn arrives with golden rays, opening brighter days. Hand in hand we journey on, until a new tomorrow is born. Echoes of the ancestors call, lifting the weary whenever they fall. Through every trial and every test, the power of truth survives the rest. Echoes of the ancestors, echoes of the ancestors, forever living, forever strong, forward, forward. Deep beneath the rhythm, deep beneath the bass, the ancestors are speaking. Forward, from the soil where the strong roots grow, comes a message every heart should know. The river remembers, the mountains recall, the spirit of freedom belongs to all. Though the winds may change and the skies may gray, the fire of purpose won't fade away. Every step taken with love and truth plants new seeds for the coming youth. Voices from the earth keep calling on, through the darkest night until the dawn. Stand together, let the light increase, walking on the road of peace. the land, calling every woman, every man, not for conflict, not for pride, but for justice, standing side by side. The stars above and the roots below teach us all we need to know, that love remains the strongest force, guiding every righteous course. Inspiration, spirit elevation, money invocation, global connection, echoes traveling, hearts awakening, across the oceans and distant shores. The same hope knocks on countless doors. Different languages, one heartbeat, moving together to a common beat. The dawn arrives with golden rays, opening brighter, better days. The journey continues strong and free, building a future for humanity. Voices from the earth keep calling on, through the darkest night until the dawn. Stand together, let the light increase, walking on the road of peace. Voices from the earth, voices from the earth, forever rising, forever strong. Forward, drums in the distance, echoes in the valley, ancient voices calling. Forward, forward, rise and shine. city streets to mountain heights. People gather beneath the lights, seeking peace and seeking grace, finding strength in every place. The dawn appears beyond the haze, opening brighter days. One love moving through every nation, creating a new foundation. Sacred fire, keep on burning bright. Lead the people through the darkest night. With a humble heart and vision clear, a better day is drawing near. Sacred fire, sacred fire, forever burning, forever shining. Forward, forward. Dubwise, hear the thunder in the distance, hear the drum of liberation. Forward, forward. Oh, na. Morning light rise over Zion Hill. Children of the earth standing still, watching for a brighter day to come, guided by the heartbeat of the drum. Chains of confusion falling away, truth and justice lighting the way. Though the struggle long and the road seems steep, the fire of the spirit never sleeps. Echoes of freedom calling tonight, shining through the darkness with a holy light. Stand together strong, let the message ring. One love, one hope, let the people sing. Babylon walls may tower high, but no shadow can cover the sky. Voices of the righteous growing strong, turning every hardship into song. From the valleys to the mountainside, faith and courage walking as our guide. Every heartbeat carries a decree, born to live in dignity and free. Echoes of freedom calling tonight, shining through the darkness with a holy light. Stand together strong, let the message ring. One love, one hope, let the people sing. Hear the horn cry across the land, brothers and sisters hand in hand. No fear, no hate, no division remain. Love like a river washing away pain. Ancient wisdom carried by the breeze, speaking through the roots and the trees. The future grows wherever truth is sown. A stronger generation now is grown. Deep bass vibration, on meditation, spirit elevation, worldwide revelation. Across the oceans and the city streets, the message of unity repeats. From every corner where the people strive, the flame of hope remains alive. shared destiny. Echoes of freedom calling tonight, shining through the darkness with a holy light. Stand together strong, let the message ring. One love, one hope, let the people sing. Echoes of freedom. Hey, echoes of freedom. Forever and ever. Forward, 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 forward. Echoes in the night, drums upon the earth, ancient voices calling forward, children of the light. Deep in the jungle where the old trees stand, wisdom flows like rivers through the land. Every leaf carries a sacred sign, every heartbeat moving with divine design. The wind speaks softly through the bamboo frame, reminding every soul we're not the same, yet bound together by a common flame, seeking truth beyond fortune and fame. Walk through the jungle of wisdom today, righteousness show the way. No matter how dark the road may seem, faith keeps alive the dream. Truth still grows where the humble reside. No chains can hold a liberated mind. No wall can stop the power we find. Children learning from the roots below, planting seeds so future generations grow. Every act of kindness multiplies like stars appearing in the evening skies. Walk through the jungle of wisdom today, let the light of righteousness show the way. No matter the dawn is breaking through the haze, lighting up a brighter face. Every soul can help begin a better world from deep within. Walk through the jungle of wisdom today, let the light of righteousness show the way. No matter how dark the road Hear the thunder rolling, hear the ancient drum. Across the valleys, across the oceans, the lion awakens. From the mountains where the morning shines comes a vision carried through the pines, a message born of truth and grace for every tribe in every place. The earth remembers every song, teaching us where we belong. Though storms may gather in the sky, the spirit's wings continue to fly. Lion of the horizon, lead the way through the darkness to a brighter day, with courage in the heart and fire in the soul, marching toward a higher goal. Forward, forward, forward. Rise up, rise up. Babylon shadows may cloud the land, yet truth still blooms from the people's hand. Every seed of justice that is sown will grow into a future of its own. No chain can hold a dream in mind, no wall can stop what time designed. The river of hope keeps moving on, from sunset glow to break of dawn. Lion of the horizon, lead the way through the darkness to a brighter day, with courage in the heart and fire in the soul, marching toward a higher goal. Hear the horn cry across the plains, washing away fear and pain. Ancient wisdom, strong and clear, giving strength from year to year. Children dancing in the light, guardians of tomorrow's sight. The road is long, but we remain standing strong through sun and rain. Bassline rolling, echoes calling, spirit rising, hearts uniting, foreign vibration, global inspiration. Across the cities and countryside, the flame of unity cannot hide. Many voices become one sound, a mighty force the world around. The future shines beyond the haze, built by love in countless ways. Each small act becomes a spark, lighting paths within the dark. Lion of the horizon, lead the way through the darkness to a brighter day, with courage in the heart and fire in the soul, marching toward a higher goal. Lion of the horizon, lion of the horizon, forever rising, forever strong. Forward, forward, forward. Ancient drum calling across the valleys, across the rivers. Hear the sound of awakening. Forward, morning sunrise over distant hills, touching every heart with purpose still. The wind carries stories from long ago, teaching every seed how to grow. From the rivers to the mountainside, faith and courage walk as our guide. Though the road is rough and the climb is steep, the fire of hope runs deep. To the mountain of light we rise, with determination in our eyes. No shadow can cover the day, when truth and love show the way. comes a message that the people know. Through the darkness and the raging storm, the seed of truth is always born. Feet on the earth, eyes on the sky. Dreams of freedom can never die. Every heartbeat tells the story clear. A brighter day is drawing near. Ride the river of echoes tonight. Carry the flame of the righteous light. Through the ages the message remains. Love and justice shall break the chains. Thunder may shake the ground, but stronger still is the people's sound. United voices lifting high, like eagles soaring through the sky. No wall can stand forever tall, when truth and courage answer the call. Generation after generation, building a new foundation. Ride the river of echoes tonight. Carry the flame of the righteous light. Through the ages the message remains. Love and justice shall break the chains. Hear the trumpet in the distant breeze, whispering wisdom through the trees. Ancient lessons carried on, from sunset glow to morning dawn. The power lives in every soul, healing hearts and making whole. Step by step the road unfolds, a story yet to be told. Deep bass meditation, echo vibration, horn celebration, worldwide revelation. Across the oceans and city streets, the rhythm of unity repeats. Different faces, one destiny, bound together in harmony. Raise your hands to the open sky, let the spirit multiply. The future belongs to those who stand with love and truth across the land. Ride the river of echoes tonight. Carry the flame of the righteous light. Through